is steadfast, whose people are blessed, whose glory fills the world. It is independent and permanently neutral Turkmenistan. The past, present, and future of this land are embodied in the wise writings of the national leader of the Turkmen people, HERO12, and the president of Turkmenistan, HERO12. Of Turkmen history spanning 5,000 years stands the noble ancestor Oghuz Khan the Turkmen. This land, traversed by caravans for centuries, was once the very heart of the Great Silk Road. Wisdom and intellect, the pride of the Turkmen people, is Makamuli Harabi. When masses gather around one table to share a meal, the destiny of Turkmen will rise high. The great poet's vision has become reality under the leadership of the national leader of the Turkmen people, HERO12. The unparalleled heavenly steeds are the national pride of Turkmenistan, with its legendary Ahal-Teki horses. Turkmenistan has left its mark on history and astonished the world. Our exquisite carpets, a masterpiece of craftsmanship, draw their beauty from the very essence of Turkmen nature. The Turkmen people have immortalized their national values by weaving them into their carpets. Those who wish to witness loyalty, bravery, and valor need only look to the noble guardian of the Turkmen people, the Alibi. Ancient and eternal, imbued with national spirit, Turkmen culture is an incomparable, multifaceted treasure. With a soul as pure as its intentions, a heart as bright as its dreams, Ashgabat is Turkmenistan's pearl city adorned with white marble. The radiance of our capital, built through the profound wisdom and dedication of the national leader of the Turkmen people, HERO12, shines upon the world. Those who seek to witness a city of happiness, prosperity, and harmonious progress should come to the city of wisdom, Arkadagh. The generous land of the Turkmen is a true treasure. Its orchards bear fruit, its gardens overflow with harvests, and beneath its soil lies the boundless wealth of black gold, oil, and gas, ensuring the well-being of the people today and for generations to come. In the year of international peace and trust, Turkmen-Japanese relations continue to grow steadily, effectively, and in the spirit of friendship. Our homeland, Turkmenistan, is further strengthening its reliable business cooperation with the land of the rising sun. State relations, built on equality, mutual respect, and trust, fill the hearts of both nations with pride. May the friendly ties between Turkmenistan and Japan endure